الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان صدق الله العظيم. Good morning. On the occasion of the Victory Day and publishing annual exam results, present the Honorable Principal, Chief Guest, Special Guest, Guardians and my beloved brothers and sisters. I welcome all of you with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would like to thank you all for your time. My name is Azam Adon. Now I am going to talk about the Victory Day of Bangladesh. Today is 16 December, which is called the Victory Day of Bangladesh. The Victory Day is observed in our country on the 16th December every year. The day is observed because on this day in 1971, we achieved our independence from Pakistan. We won Victory Day at the cost of a bloody war, and Bangladesh came into being and occupied a place in the world map as an independent country. This day will remain evergreen in the heart of each Bangladeshi. This day reminds us of the sacrifice of our valiant people. It also reminds us of our duty to protect the independence of the country. This day is a day of great joy, hope and inspiration. I see this victory as a victory against injustice and falsehood. Sincerely, we all should respect the day forever. Actually, I am not a good speaker. Whatever I have tried maybe to talk about the victory of Bangladesh. In this lecture, if I made any mistake, please pardon me. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.